Hello students, welcome you all to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. Today we will discuss about different classes comes under fungi and their characteristic features. So first of all, Ascomycetes or sac fungi. One character that is present is in most of the Ascomycetes is the reproductive structure that is known as ascus or asci, and they produce ascospore. Mostly they are terrestrial or parasitic or coprophilous. Coprophilous means the fungi which can grow on animal dung. They are unicellular or multicellular. The mycelium is made up of septate and branched hyphae. Septate means the cells have septa between them and they have branch. The cell wall is made up of chitin or beta glucans. There is cytoplasmic continuity due to septal pores. There is a pore present between septa. So there is a cytoplasmic continuity present between these septal pores. Asexual reproduction is by the formation of conidia, which is produced exogenously on conidiophores. Yeast reproduces asexually by budding. Sexual reproduction is by conjugation between two gametangia. They are either homothallic, that means of one strain or similar strain, or heterothallic, that means by different strains. The fruiting body is known as ascocarp. There are four types of ascocarp. One is Cleistothecium, that is the fruiting body which is spherical and remains tightly closed. For example, in case of Aspergillus, Perithecium, which is a fruiting body which is flask shaped with one external opening present in Neurospora. Then Apothecium, here the fruiting body is cup shaped and asci is present in Hymeneum. For example, in Pegeja. Then Ascostroma, there is no differentiated fruiting body. Asci is present in stroma. For example, in case of Mycosparella, then ascospores are produced endogenously in asci. So it is all about the characteristic features of Ascomycetes. Then Phycomycetes, also known as algal fungi. The members are considered as lower fungi found in aquatic and on decaying wood in moist and damp places, or as obligate parasite on plant. Mycelium is septate, that means septa or cross walls are present between cells, and cenocytic, but the cells are multinucleate. Asexual reproduction takes place by formation of motile zoospores and non-motile aplanospores. Those spores are produced endogenously inside sporangium. In the aquatic form, sporangia produces zoospore. Sexual reproduction involves fusion of similar or dissimilar gametes. When the fusion occurs between two similar gametes, it is known as isogamy, and when it is between two dissimilar gametes, it is known as anisogamy. It produces a resting diploid zygospore. On return of favorable condition, this zygospore undergo meiosis and indirectly produces 4 haploid mycelium. For example, Rhizopus stolonifer and Mucor mucedo. Then the characteristic features of Zygomycetes. Zygomycetes have some distinctive features, like the hyphal walls are chiefly composed of chitin and chitosan. Motile cells are completely absent in life cycle. Asexual reproduction takes place by means of non-motile sporangiospores commonly produced inside a large sporangia. Sometimes entire sporangium function as single spore in same manner as conidium. Chlamydospore formation is of frequent occurrence. Sexual reproduction involves gametangial copulation. The thick-walled sexually produced zygospore formed by complete fusion of protoplast of two gametangia is the resting structure. The zygospore germinate to produce a hypha, the promycelium, which bears a terminal sporangium. Then Basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes is otherwise known as clove fungi, dollipore septa, clam connection, and basidiospore. These three characteristic features are main and present only in Basidiomycetes. So what is dorsipore septum? These are specialized dividing walls between cells found in almost all species of fungi in phylum Basidiomycota. Then what is clamp connection? It is a hook-like structure formed by growing hyphal cells of certain fungi belonging to the class Basidiomycetes. Then it is produced a special type of spore known as Basidiospore. Then some important groups or fungi present under Basidiomycetes are mushrooms, puffballs, bracket fungi, etc. Then deuteromycetes, also known as fungi imperfecti, because it lacks the sexual phase in their life cycle. Some common characteristic features found in deuteromycetes is it is saprophytes on a wide range of substrate, but many of these fungi are parasite also. Mycelium has well developed, profusely branched and septate hyphae possessing multinucleate cell and simple pore septa. The hypha may be intercellular or intracellular, and their cell wall chiefly contain chitin and glucan. They exhibit only asexual mode of reproduction and lack sexual mode of reproduction. The various types of asexual mode of reproduction is hyphal fragmentation, budding, arthrospore, chlamydospore, and most commonly conidia. They do not exhibit sexual reproduction. Deuteromycetes play important role in decomposition of organic matter and brings about recycling of nutrients. For example, Sarcospora personata is a fungus which causes tica disease in groundnut. Then Coletotrichum, which is the causal organism of red rot of sugarcane, which is caused by Coletotrichum falcatum. So this is all about different characteristic features of different groups of fungi. In my next class, I will teach you some other topics which comes under fungi. So stay tuned and enjoy my videos.